Hey YouTubers, Ronald here. We're gonna go over the Letsfit EW4 smartwatch. First, let's go over what's included. So let's move this over here, this over here. All right, so you're gonna get your warranty card and contact info, quick start guide. You're gonna get this pamphlet that covers our social media aspect. You're gonna get important safety instructions. So this talks about health warnings and battery warnings. And then important safety guide. So if you wear the watch and you need to be able to clean it every once in a while. If not, like sweat and bacteria get stuck, and then you may develop a rash. So this guide covers this, so that doesn't happen. You're gonna get your magnetic charger, and then of course your EW4 smartwatch. So as you can see, this one has a circular design versus our EW2, which is a square design. So those are like the main differences between this one and the previous model. Okay. So here is our Letsfit app. We already downloaded it and we have it already in use. So when you go into it, we have our EW2 connected to it, but we're gonna connect our EW4. So first things first, remove this cover, get your magnetic charger and attach it to it so it could give it power. Once you do that, it should turn on. And then you should see this QR code. Okay. For the Letsfit app, you're gonna need to have your Bluetooth and your location services turned on to be able to connect to a device. All right. So let's go to My Devices, Add, and we're gonna go EW4. We already turned on the camera permissions before. There it goes. All right. All right, and then you're gonna accept to pair with this device. And pairing successful. All right. Great. So you're paired to your EW4 device. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right. So if you guys are looking for the band size of the EW4, it's 22 millimeters. And that's what you need to look for if you want to change the band to your own custom ones. Also, make sure that you have the quick release lever when you pick your band. If not, your life will be miserable. So make sure it has that feature there. And you guys should be good to go to select whatever other band you want. All right, so let's go over the watch. So let's turn it on. So here's the watch face. It's a touch screen. So here you can see the summary of your workouts. It'll take your heart rate. So this line has to fill up first, and then it'll take your heart rate. It says need a word tighter. Okay, tighten the watch. Let's try that again. There we go, heart rate. Then it also takes your stress levels. So the stress level feature seems to only be on the watch. It doesn't seem to be on the app at all. But it's the same deal. The bar has to fill up first, and then it'll take your stress level. Okay, so my stress is 48. And these videos are stressful. All right, and then this is the sleep data, so I haven't used it that often, so we don't have any data for that yet. If you pressed the top button, it'll get your menu for training, exercise record, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, stress, breath training, stopwatch, timer, alarm, music control, and settings. And then if you press the bottom button, it'll show you the exercises that are available. So you have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, pool swim, open water swim, hiking, yoga, row machine, elliptical machine, cricket, and others. Typically, you will pick others if you're doing like some free training like crunches, weights, things like that. And then if you press it again, it'll activate the workout. And that's how it looks. Press the top one to stop it. If the workout is too short, it won't record it. Okay. Let's press OK. Oh. All right, let's move on to the next part. The Letsfit app is the official app for this watch. All right, so let's do a quick recap of the Letsfit app. You're gonna get this main page where it shows your activities, your workout minutes, active hours, and steps, and it should show you your heart rate, resting heart rate, calories burned, distance, and sleep. So this is a standard layout for our app. Here is going to show you all your workouts, and you can filter them through this select feature up here. And here we have our settings, so you go into your account settings. If you have issues with your steps, you can calibrate your steps. The EW4 also has some special features that we could look at. So you can turn on notification alerts, do not disturb, night mode, brightness, watch faces, sleep alarm, heart rate notification. So the heart rate notification only works while you're doing a workout. And then a trainer reminder. You can change the language, update the firmware, reset, restart device, unpair device. If you want to change to military time, you have to change it on your phone. Okay, that's a quick little recap. So let's go look at the interesting stuff, the watch faces. So these are kind of the watch faces that this watch has, and we have a circular design. So you're gonna get all these little options. When you click on this one, the analog watch, you're gonna get a list of different watch faces that the company has made. Some are cool, some are convenient, so they're pretty interesting. Try this one. So once you select the watch, once you select the watch face, it shouldn't take long to change it. Okay, let's go back. Some other stuff I want to show you guys. And then if you go into this last one, this one you could modify the background image. You could select where you want the time position to be, and then you can select the color of the actual time and date. And then you can turn on and off the date as well. So this is pretty cool. and it's the same feature that the EW2 has. So we also included it in this version of the watch. So they share pretty similar designs. The main difference is that we have a circular design for this model. If you guys have further questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.